involved getting my feet wet. I need rubber boots, really. Oh well. Alright, so crazy morning. Just finished meeting with Lori Main, who's an amazing editor. She's double checking my books, make sure I didn't make any mistakes, because I make a lot of mistakes. Ran into Mark on the way to John Brown, or Charlottetown Beer Garden, and he had a present for me. Not sure what it is, we're gonna find out. I ran into Mark, the UPS delivery driver. He had something for me, I'm not sure what it is, but it's in a UPS box and it feels like clothes. So I figured I'd come down here. It's a beautiful day. It's raining a little bit, but I want to get outside. Figured I'd come down. Oh, it's jeans! That was my guess. I was right, Mark. Haha. But yeah, silver jeans. Thank you so much for the Grayson Easy Fit jeans. Thank you. Alright, CrossFit today was amazing. Those guys are so supportive and very positive. You know what, always saying hello, thank you, goodbye as you leave. It's top notch. You gotta try it out, it's amazing. Alright, so now I got something a bit fun, a little bit different. Not really, you've seen it before, something you've probably never seen before. And it's gonna be a nice waterfall. But we gotta get there first. Alright, so that was a delicious supper, but now we're going for a little bit of a tour to a spot most people probably have never seen or heard of. The biggest, I think it's the biggest waterfall in PEI that I know of. And most people don't know about this, so be ready to be surprised. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of water moving, which means this place is not exactly the safest spot. So if you come down here, be very careful. The last time I was here, we didn't have these trees. The water went mostly straight down. There's less deviation over there. But this time there's a ton of trees that have fallen down and it's pushing the water to the right. So you know what? You never know what might happen or what might change here. But something's still the same in the summertime anyway. There's a lot of bugs. So the history on this place is, it used to actually be a dam. It used to be a hydroelectric dam that used to power Montague and Georgetown.